What's up, hustlers? Welcome back to the Data Hustler. In today's video, we are diving into a real SQL question asked in the Amazon Business Analyst support role test. You will see the exact tables, the expected output, and how to break it down like a pro, all in just a few minutes. Whether you are preparing for Amazon or any analyst role, this is a must watch. Let's dive in. So, this is our final query of the test. Check the tables named customers, orders, and GL codes and write a query. Get the following output, weightage of 3 marks. Table customer having customer ID and order ID. Table orders having category and order ID, and table GL codes having category and GL codes. So this is our expected output. So I want you to keep this in mind. Okay, so here we have the 3 tables and this is the expected output. And it's simple as that. No other questions is asked, no other problem statement or anything. You are given 3 tables and you are supposed to write a query to get this output. Give a try by your end before me revealing the answer. Okay. Kudos if you are able to crack this tricky question. Majority of the candidates fail to solve this, especially in the absence of a database to run and try and make errors and get to the final result. I will solve this in MS SQL. Okay, I have created all these tables here. You can see all the tables. So here is how I would do it. I will run all those 3 tables so you can see from your end as well. So here is how I would solve this problem statement. See, now our expected output is matching. Same expected output we are getting. So here, full join between customers and orders are based on order ID. This combines all rows from both tables. If a row is in customer 1 doesn't have a match in orders, it still appears with a null in orders. Similarly, if a row on orders doesn't have a match in customers, it also appears with null in customer. Then left joining GL codes on category. Takes the results of the full join and brings in GL code from the GL codes table only if there is a match on category. So when you are interpreting this output, we can see that for 111, 112, 113 are matched with a customer ID A or B and got corresponding GL codes as well. Order 114 has no category in GL code, so GL code is null. See, order 114 has no, this kitchen is not available in this GL codes table. So for GL codes value will be null. So this was a tricky one because there was not even a problem statement given. So if you want to make a problem statement, you can it might come like list all customers and their orders, if any, along with the corresponding GL codes for each order's category, or show all customers even if they haven't placed an order, all orders even if they are not linked to a customer. Would come out like perform a comprehensive audit mapping customers to their orders and GL codes, ensuring no data is lost due to unmatched records. And this is how we solve the last and the most trickiest one. The thing is, the problem is that it is easier to solve in MS SQL Server than to write it down in a pen and paper written test for a BA role. The main reason for this is that we can change the type of join and see which join will give us the expected output. But this trial and error will not work in a written test because we don't have a database to run. So how will you decide which type of joins need to be used in order to get the expected output? That is the bigger challenge. So my recommendation is give as much as practice you can in the MySQL or MS SQL Server, then try to jot it down in a pen and paper with the similar scenarios. Like we had to ask ourselves, do I need all customers even without orders? Then left join customer with the orders. If I need all orders too, then maybe we had to go for full join. See here we can see that we had to not only the all customers we need their respective orders as well. That's why we went for full join. Do I need GL codes only if there's a matching category? You can see that Only if there is a matching category or a customer and order, if they are matching only, for them only we need a GL codes. That's why we don't go for the full join over here. So this tells you what kind of joins you have to use. So you have to think it in this perspective. That's how you solve a real Amazon BA test question with confidence. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the Data Hustler, and hit the bell so you never miss real world SQL prep like this. More analyst plus data engineering prep videos coming your way. Until next time, keep hustling, keep scoring. Bye.